Hello, everyone. My name is Edilio Diaz. I am a telecommunication engineer student at una university. I am 36 years old and I live in the city of Tuna. Text for oral productions, experience, and activity. Topic 3 The rice feed. Ingredients 3 chickens, breasts, dixet, add onion chopped, 2 cloves of garlic minced, 1 red bell pepper sliced, a can of coconut milk, 2 tablespoons of curry powder, salt and pepper to taste, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, cooked rice for serving. Instructions. Instructions. Eat the vegetable oil in a large scale over medium heat. This allows the oil to reach the proper temperature for cooking. 2. Add the chopped onion and minced garlic. Cook for 2 3 minutes until they start to soften. This stick enhances the flavor base of the dish. 3. While the onion and garlic are softening, this the chicken breaks. This ensures that everything is prepared and ready to go. 4. Once the onion and garlic are softening, add the Dixie chicken breast to the skillet. Cook until the chicken is brown on all sides, stirring occasionally. This usually takes about 5-7 minutes in total. Browning the chicken adds the of flour to dish. 5. While the chicken is cooking, slice the red bell pepper. This adds color and texture and the dish. 6. While you are slicing the pepper, sprinkle the curry powder over the cooking chicken, stirring to the cook evenly. This infuses the chicken stew with aromatic spices. 7. Next, add the sliced red bell pepper to the skillet. Stir everything together and let it cook for another 2-3 minutes. This allows the flavors to the melt together. 8. Now pour in the coconut milk. Stir well to combine all the ingredients. The coconut milk adds creaminess and richness to the curry. 9. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Stir again, then cover the skillet and let the curry simmer for about 10-15 minutes or until the chicken is cooked through and the flavors have melted together. This allows the flavors to deliver and intensify. 10. With the curry in simmering, you can prepare your rice according to package instruction. This ensures that everything is ready served at the same time. 11. Once the curry is ready, serve it hot over the cooked rice. Enjoy roast delicious chicken curry. Thank you very much.